So this is how you take your taillights out of your 2008 F350. Almost said my truck again. But yeah, so let's get into it. So first you want to do is open this tailgate that's heavier than a mug. God dang. Then, you see those two bolts over there? You want to grab 8mm socket. I have to get an adapter because, well, I don't have a 1/4-inch ratchet. And then what you want to do is make sure this is to loosen. Then you want to come here, this bolt right here, and this bolt down here. So I'm going to take these off and I'll show you. So now that we got this undone, now that's how you take it out. And then those are your 3 bulbs or whatever, or 2 bulbs actually. And then what you want to do when you're putting it back in is you come back, oh shoot, you gotta make sure that goes in. And then boom, it just all pops back into place. There you go. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure if you guys need any more help with anything, make sure to let me know. Like, subscribe, comment. See you guys. Peace.